Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you the bootleggers ROM version 5.1 on this Redmi Note 3, which is based on Android version 10. So let's begin. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, the bootleggers version is bootlegger 5.1 stable unspecified means unofficial version, and the build date is 25th April, which is the latest available for this ROM, and the security patch level is 5th April. Kernel here is Kali Negev. I don't know what kernel is this. Going to these are the advanced controls, but it is in some other language. I don't know what language is this, but these are the Xiaomi customizations, which is available for almost every ROM, the advanced controls. And here you can see the digital well-being is present because I have installed the OpenG apps here. So digital well-being is present. And going to the security, here there is the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor is working. Let me show you. So as you can see here, fingerprint sensor is working fine. There is no option for the face unlock, and as you can see here, the hardware button lights are not working. Then going to the display options, you have this dark theme available here. Then the night light, then this is the styles and wallpapers. Here you get all these styles like the default, the AOSP, pixel. You can get your own, and these are all the clock styles. There are so many, and this is the bootleggers ROM wallpaper available, and you can get the bootleggers ROM wallpaper like in this issued ones. Guys, talking about the battery life on this ROM is not so good. It's below average, I would say. Like, it's the worst battery backup for a ROM I have seen till now. Then going to this, the bootleg dumpster. These are all the bootleggers ROM customizations available. These are all the status bar customizations like available for almost every custom ROM. Like you have the VoLTE icon, then the traffic indicators, status bar items, then the battery styles and battery percentage, all the customizations. Then you have the quick settings customization, like same as every ROM, but you cannot customize the rows and columns for the quick settings. Okay, so guys, then going to the hardware buttons customization, these are the volume keys as music control. Customize, nothing else is available for the hardware button, like the double tap for the home screen or the back end. That's customization are not available. Then going to the lock screen customization, you have this lock screen like the ambient display. Double tap on the lock screen to sleep, the charging, and all the lock screen customizations like the weather settings, the weather condition icon pack, only one is available. Then going to this notification customization like the battery charging light and the heads up, all these stuff, bootlegger stuff. Then the power menu, whatever you want for the power menu. Then you have this animation customization, only the screen of animation customization are available, no activity open close customization. Then going to the gestures, you have the swipe 3 finger for the screenshot available, and the long screenshot option is also available here. Then going to the AOSP gestures, you have this system navigation, the gesture navigation available. The gesture navigation works fine, but the back gesture does not work as usual. If you want to disable the hardware button, then the back gesture will work perfectly fine. You have these customizations like the haptic feedback on the back. You can also hide the navigation pill if you want, and it is working here. Then going to the miscellaneous, like you have the screenshot type, what the screenshot type you want, full or partial. Okay, it does not work full. Then you have the gaming mode and stuff available. So that's it. The features available here. The home screen, and talking about the features, the Wi-Fi is working absolutely fine. Bluetooth, I haven't tried it. Then the mobile data is working fine. The flashlight is also working fine. Then there is the dark theme and all this stuff, the night light. Talking about the other features, the YouTube, I have no problems for the YouTube flickering. Then you have the left swipe for the Google feed, and when you press the power button, there is the screen recorder available here. Screen recorder just works fine. Then you have also the option for the partial screenshot. Just press and hold on the screenshot option and you will be able to take the partial screenshot here. Talking about the camera, you get the inbuilt Google Camera Go version available here, and it is working fine. And you have this portrait mode, then the video mode. Okay, then talking about the Google Camera 7.3, it is working absolutely fine. No problems for this Gcam. It is working fine. I will give the link for it in the description. If you want to know more about this Google Camera, I have made a video for that. Go check it out. Link is in the description below. Talking about the inbuilt apps, you have this Mix app. This is the file manager, inbuilt file manager for the bootlegger's ROM. That's it. Talking about the PUBG performance, PUBG runs great on this ROM. There are no problems with PUBG, but the battery, it drains so much battery while playing PUBG, so battery backup on this ROM is a big problem here. Guys, there is a major bug here for the auto reboot. Like after the reboot, it will again reboot and it will be stuck on the boot animation, so then you will need to force reboot again. So this is a major bug, and I am using this ROM from now 3 days and I have faced it at least 5 to 6 times now. And there is also the black screen problem here. And also guys, there is a bug, one more bug, while using the Gcam. When you constantly use Gcam for a long time, then it will just hang here. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, then go check them out. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.